Okay.
So here is the baking soda.
Okay, we need 1 cup of it.
Yeah, but
What is the cup?
please be careful, guys.
Make it a proportional.
Oh my god.
1 cup of soda.
Can someone help me? What are you doing, Dennis? You can do it like this.
You sure this doesn't need?
I don't think it's a good idea to cut it.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Maybe you have nails, guys.
Okay, salt is ready.
Okay, so salt is here.
The next step is
Can
the
you send
baking
this video to
soda.
me?
Thank you.
Sorry?
Can you send this video to group?
Sure.
Yeah, that's salt.
Okay, the next step is soda. Let's put it here.
Oh, put a lot of salt.
Don't spill it like
That's
I
a lot.
spilled this.
I'll try.
Okay.
What's that yellow thing?
Don't
It's
ask.
better to,
Don't take question.
Yeah.
Yes, there's not visible in camera, so.
This is gonna be cut in the montage.
Yeah, so beautiful.
We need some more probably. I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
Just follow the ingredients.
Yeah, it's the same amount of salt.
1 cup of
What are we
salt
doing,
with
One
it.
salt,
guys?
one.
Essentials we had 1 cup of salt.
We don't have essence.
Should I put more? What do you say?
Yes, I
This
think it's
or
okay.
this?
I think they are equal.
Yeah.
Are they?
Okay, nice.
Okay.
And next step, we
We have used Yasmin a lot.
Yeah, what
It's
is the
essential
other
oil.
one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but we used
We also have this one. It smells very nice.
Yeah. What is it?
It's English. Poti.
it's also not just me. It's different.
It's a plant. It's a flower, but it smells good.
Okay.
Jasmine.
It's jasmine. This
It's
one.
also jasmine.
No,
Yes.
This one is not jasmine.
Then put it
Yeah,
in.
this is
Oh yeah.
another flower.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, this looks fresh.
Okay,
You
I'm
want
putting
it?
this like
yes.
Yes.
20 to 30 drops.
Yeah, but watch out.
Count.
Çok dökme.
Just hold it.
10.
Może takie
20.
Don't leave.
30.
Ooh, better.
Now we mix it again.
What do you think, Simon, of this?
I think so.
Will 100% wash myself with this.
Are you Simon?
I think
You will eat it.
nothing but great.
Okay.
I think ours went to test the toilet.
Okay, show our soap.
Yeah, guys, this is our
In the previous
soap.
video, we were making the soap.
Yeah, it's very amazing. It's very
Okay, and-
delicious.
The color.
It smells very good.
And this is the.
Yeah, just
Yes.
the scrub.
Also smelling
Yeah.
amazing. A lot of people approved it.
And the color Yeah. is beautiful.
If you want to order it from us, it's only 10 euros.
10, 100
Really fair,
euros.
guys, yeah?
10 euros
100
for
euros,
that.
guys. No discount.
Yeah.
No.
Maybe we should color this too.
Do we need water for this?
No.
Color, yes.
Yeah, we need color. Yellow?
No.
We should do this over yellow.
I'm still mixing for
they are
maybe
ready to use
20
these
minutes or
ones.
something like
Yeah,
that.
but we are going to.
Mixing
Who's
this.
volunteering? You are volunteering to use this, right? You
Uh,
have the potential. I can see it in your face. Yes.
okay.
Then it's
Yes.
definitely have
But
a
Just
chance.
lie down and
This is
I
like
will
a
apply it on your face.
Bad thing.
What?
This is like a bad salt? Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, don't put a lot. That's enough,
Okay,
I
we're
think.
applying it.
3 drops.
I think
It will work, it will work. It's working. Some more. Quick tutorial. Okay.
It's not okay. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I've never seen something so beautiful.
You will never see. Yeah. It's like delicious. Imagine
To our
it.
subscribers.
Once in a lifetime.
Do you think this tastes like
Let's
something?
look closer.
Try it.
So it's super beautiful.
Amazing. I'll show you.
Lemon
It's yellow.
yellow color.
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, it smells so
Of course.
Show
Book me
our-
din kanka. Just go to the bathroom.
mouse, please.
It's like
Do this, do this. Oh no.
It's okay. Unfortunately.
Does it taste anything?
yeah, it's salty
Okay, that's good. That's a good sign.
and it's like oil.
Okay. How do you feel now? Are you okay?
I'm feeling yellow. I'm feeling yellow.
10 minutes. Whether he is okay or not.
Okay, I think. Yeah.
I'll show you.
You are dying to make it yellow, right?
It's beautiful. Okay, so who's going to try
You,
this?
you are going to try it.
I am volunteering
Oğlum lan
for
duştayken
squat.
çıplak şey videomu mu çekeceğiz lan? O donla çekin lan bari.
Yeah, we can use this on body, right?
No.
You have to take a shower, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the back.
This coming.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, maybe